Have you ever thought to yourself, I really want to start investing, but I have no idea where to even begin? If that sounds like you, then you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down what investing really means, how you can get started, and the best ways to do it, even if you only have a little bit of money to spare. So, what is investing? In simple terms, it's about putting your money to work so it can grow over time. Instead of just letting your cash sit in a savings account, barely earning any interest, investing means you use it to buy assets. These can be things like stocks, which are small shares of a company, or bonds. The goal is for these assets to increase in value or pay you an income. You're basically telling your money, okay, time to get to work for me. Now, here's the best part. You don't need a fortune to get started. Gone are the days when you needed thousands to even think about investing. These days, you can begin with as little as 10 or 20 pounds using popular apps like Free Trade, Vanguard, or Trading 212 right from your phone. So, how do you actually start? Here are three simple ways. First, look into index funds or ETFs. Think of these as a big basket holding tiny pieces of hundreds of different companies. When you buy into one, you're instantly diversified. It's a simple, low-cost strategy that's perfect for beginners. Second, consider opening a retirement or ISA account. In the UK, an ISA or individual savings account lets your investments grow without you having to pay tax on the profits. It's a fantastic way to build your wealth for the long term while keeping more of what you earn. It's like getting a helping hand from the government. And third, set up an automatic investing plan. This is a game changer. You can arrange for a small amount of money to be automatically invested every month, maybe just after you get paid. It happens in the background, so you're building wealth without even thinking about it. A huge myth about investing is that you need to be an expert who can time the market or pick the next big winning stock. That's just not true. For most people, consistency is far more powerful than trying to get lucky. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building wealth slowly and steadily over years. Some months, your investments will go up, and some months, they'll go down. That's completely normal and to be expected. The key is to stay patient, keep investing a regular amount, and let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. That's how real successful investors grow their money, not through risky bets, but through discipline. If you're just getting started on your journey, remember this powerful saying: the best time to invest was years ago. The second best time is today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Knowledge Harbor for more simple guides on money, investing, and building a smarter financial future. See you in the next one.